Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. Today we will do part 14. First of all, let's open SolidWorks. Okay, left click on front plane, right click normal to, and please check that dimensions here are in millimeter like usual. This is our part 14 that we will draw now. Top view and front view. Let's start by drawing the top view. We have a rectangle here. Sketch. Center rectangle. Let's put the dimensions 80 by 80 millimeter. Type 80. And here also type 80. We have an extrude of a height of 10 millimeter. Feature extrude 10 millimeter. Okay, so let's save it. Part 14. Normal to again to do the fillet. Here we have a fillet of a radius of 20, quantity 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So radius 20, we click here on fillet. Here we choose radius 20. Now select the edges. Leave the face, just the edge. Perfect. Normal to save. Now we have also these 4 holes of diameter 12 millimeter each. Let's draw sketch for random circle. After we will define them by inserting the dimensions. Diameter 12 millimeter. Here it's 20 millimeter. So smart dimension 12, and they are all equal. So we can add relation. This circle control this circle, control this equal. Normal to. We have the distance between the center of these 2 circles are 55, so 55 by 55. We can add, first of all, the relation. This point control this point horizontal, and this point control this point also vertical. This center point control this center point horizontal, and this center point control this vertical. We have so 55. Sorry. So it's 55 like this. Okay, and here also 55. Okay, we can add these 2 axes, vertical axis and horizontal axis. So they are in the mid. So it's 55 divided by 2 in order to have the distance between the center and the center axis here. So here, center 55 divided by 2. Here also center and this line. Here it's 55 because it has taken all dimensions, or 55 divided by 2. This 27.5. So look here, it's fully defined. Now we can do the extrude cut, fully defined because it's all in black now. And here it's written fully defined. Feature, extrude cut, blind, through all, yes, save, left click, normal 2, that's it. Okay, so now let's draw this circle extrude of height 40 millimeter here and of diameter 34 millimeter. It's located in the center, so center point here to the center there, and left click vertical, and this center point here, this circle to the midpoint here, and add relation, it's horizontal. Let's repeat it again. We should choose the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle to the midpoint here, and should be horizontal. See, now it's fully defined. We can do the extrude of 40 millimeter of height, feature extrude. Height here is 40 millimeter. Click on yes and click on save. And we can do now the inner circle cuts, sketch, circle. This is the center of the circle. Right-click select. Of diameter 18 millimeter, the other one as mentioned here. $18 millimeter, and we can see that it's a circle cut, like mentioned here and here also. Circle cut to all the part. So I click on feature, extrude cut, and click here through all. Click on yes, and click on save. Perfect. Now let's do these 4 triangles. First of all, let's start by drawing the first triangle, this one. Let's choose the front or top plane, another time normal to, draw a sketch, like this. This is the line edge. This is the corner. We can do it a longer one, then click on this line, convert entities, and then do the trim here and here. So now it's closed, but it's not fully defined because we didn't insert dimensions. The height here is 37 millimeter. The distance between the edge of the triangle and the edge here is 4 millimeter. Perfect. The width or the extrude of this triangle is 5 millimeter as mentioned there, and as mentioned there also. It's 5 millimeter. Feature extrude and choose here 5 millimeter, but it's mid plane because it's in both direction. So it's mid plane, so it's 2.5 by 2.5 millimeter. Here errors, you should remove result, merge result, and click on yes. Perfect. That's it. And to make it fully closed, like you see here, it's not fully attached to the circle. We can do as usual, click on the surface, sketch, convert entities, feature, extrude boss, up to surface, and choose the surface there. See, now it's fully defined. In order to draw the 4 other triangles in a more easy way and in a faster way, we can click on a one command that you will learn now. It's called circular pattern. Instead of doing 4 individual triangle and it will take time with us, we can click here on linear pattern and choose circular pattern. Direction, the direction of the circular pattern is this circle. Feature and faces, it's or here you can choose the number of the pattern. We have 4 triangles here, so it's perfect now to type 4. It's already written. Here we have this circle of 360 degree, the normal degree of a full circle. Bodies, we choose the body, this body there, and click on yes. See, now in a one click, we have obtained the 3 other triangle instead of doing each one of them. It's because of the help of the command circular pattern. Click on save. See if we missed anything here. We can click on normal tool and see if it's like the normal tool and then upper view here. Perfect. That's it. And in the side view, we can click here, normal tool on the side view here to see also if it's correct. Perfect. Now we can add the color by clicking on this circle and choosing, for example, this or that color. It's perfect. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial part 14 for beginners. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.